1 year after Irma, businesses are still recovering and some vanishing altogether.
Yeah, ABC Action News reporter Ryan Smith tonight profiles a former Tampa hotspot now finding a unique way to serve their loyal customers.
AJ's Press in Tampa once earning a top 5 national ranking on Yelp.
It was so busy, we were turning phones off at times.
But at the peak of that swift success, Irma happened.
Financially, it was devastating. This was the first time we've done this on our own, put a business together.
The storm 1 year ago tore through the Tampa sandwich shop. At the time, co-owner Jill Lynn and AJ's loyal following hoped it was only a setback.
My phone rings almost every day. Have you found a new place? Have you found a new place? How about this place? Some of them will send us locations.
A temporary closure soon phased into letting go for good. Her husband, who created the menu from scratch, now works for a corporate restaurant.
I mean, I think today he still grieves the loss of this baby that was, and he knows what it was, could have been, was on his way to being.
The popular press sandwiches live on. AJ's now caters, operating out of the shared kitchen space on West Tampa Bay Boulevard.
There's still so much love in that food. It's still alive and well. Everything is made fresh every single day.
In Tampa, Ryan Smith, ABC Action News.